Good morning, everyone. Opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you miss them. Warm greetings to one and all present here. We have gathered here for the IEEE sponsored one-week faculty development program on integrating SDGs into business and engineering, leveraging professional communication for global impact. Let's commence this auspicious event by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. May this invoke positivity and set the perfect tone for the day. I request everyone to rise for the prayer song.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வலத கண்டனிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
Thank you. Light represents knowledge and wisdom. To mark the beginning of enlightening program, I now invite our distinguished chief guest to join us for ceremonial lighting of the lamp. May this act illuminate our journey of learning and collaboration.
Thank you, sir. To officially welcome us all, I am honored to invite Dr. A. Anthony Das, Head of the CSBS Department at SA Engineering College. To deliver the welcome address, Dr. Anthony Das has been a beacon of guidance in our institution and we look forward to hearing from him. Sir, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. Kale Vanakkam. Respected dignitary, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and dear participants, it is my great pleasure and extend a warm welcome to all. You are the IEEE sponsors one-week faculty development program on integrating SDGs into business and engineering, leveraging professional communication for global impact. Organized by Department of AIML, CSBS, MBA at SA Engineering College, Chennai. On behalf of our institution, I extend a special welcome to our chief guest, Thiru S. Amarnath, Treasurer and Correspondent of SAEC, young and energetic person, Mr. H.R. Mohan, IEEE Ambassador and IEEE Light Senior Member, we are truly honored by your presence today, which adds immense value to this event. Once again, welcome you, sir. I would like to express my warm gratitude Dr. S. Ramachandran, our principal sir, for his unwavering support and encouraging in organizing this program successfully. Welcome you, sir. This faculty development program presents a unique opportunity to explore how the sustainable development goals can be integrated into business and engineering field. Over the course of this week, we aim to empower our faculty members with the knowledge, tools, and strategy needed to take a global challenges through the lens of professional communication and interdisciplinary collaboration. The presence of distinguished speakers and experts from both academia and industries ensure that we have a week filled with valuable insights, transformative distinction, discussions, and practical takeaways. Together, we can explore how our collaborative efforts can contribute to a more sustainable and equitable future. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all of you for this inaugural session, and I hope this FDP leaves you inspired, informed, and better equipped to make a global impact in your professional endeavors. Thank you. Nandri.
Thank you, sir, for your warm welcome. Next, to provide us with an overview of existing initiative, I invite Dr. N. Nalini, IEEE Student Branch Counselor and Associate Professor, CSBS, SA Engineering College. Dr. Nalini's dedication towards integrating academics with professional excellence is commendable. Ma'am, the stage is yours.
Good morning to all dignitaries and distinguished speakers and faculty members and participants and the guests presented here today. It is with great pride and immense pleasure that I welcome you all to the inauguration of the IEEE sponsored one-week faculty development program entitled Integrating SDGs into Business and Engineering, Leveraging Professional Communication for Global Impact. This program is a significant collaboration organized by SA Engineering College Autonomous, specifically the Department of Computer Science and Business Systems, Master of Business Administration, and the Computer Science and Engineering AAML, IQSC, and IEEE Student Branch SAEC, in association with IEEE Professional Communication Society Madras Chapter and IEEE Computer Society Madras Chapter. The theme of this FDP is both timely and critical, as it focuses on the interaction of two pivotal areas. One is Sustainable Development Goal and another one is the professional communication. Today, as a global community, increasingly recognizing the importance of sustainability and inclusivity, it becomes essential to integrate these principles into business and engineering practices. At the same time, professional communication serves as a powerful enabler for deriving global collaboration and impactful decision making. This FDP spanning from 16 to 21st December 2024. It brings together 100 participants from various institutions including RMK Engineering College, SRM, Institute of Science and Research Technology, Velamal Engineering College, and SA Engineering College. Here approximately 60% of the participants are IEEE members, which underscore the significance of the event in fostering knowledge sharing and professional growth within the IEEE community. The primary goal of this FDP is to equip the participants with the knowledge and tools to embed the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals into business strategies and engineering innovations. enhance the professional communication skills to facilitate the global participants and driving impactful outcomes. Through this program, we aim to focus a holistic understanding of how sustainability can be a key driver for innovation and how effective communication can amplify this impact globally. This program is being conducted in hybrid mode, ensuring the participants can join both physical and virtual days, accommodating a wide audience while maintaining the flexibility. Here, the key speakers are Mr. P. Anantakumar, Director, Microsoft, and Srinivasan, and Mr. H.R. Mohan sir, and Mr. G.P. Pon Manivanan sir, and Durga Balasubramanian, and Rajneesh Kumar, and Ms. Deepana ma'am. All are the key speakers for this FDP. This FDP is not just a learning opportunity, but a call to action. The challenges we face as a global society require integrating opportunities, innovative thinking, and effective communication. Let us make the most of this program by engaging actively, sharing insights, and exploring solutions that align with sustainable development goals. Thank you, and I wish you all success and enriching this experience. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us with the purpose and importance of today's gathering. It is now my privilege to call upon Dr. S. Ramachandran, Principal of SA Engineering College, to deliver the felicitation address. Dr. Ramachandran has been a guiding force, inspiring growth and innovation within our institution. Sir, we eagerly await your words of encouragement.
Good morning all. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. H.R. Mohan, IEEE Ambassador and IEEE Live Senior and Share Events and IEEE CS Madras, and organizers of this IEEE sponsored 1-week faculty development program on integrating SDGs into business and engineering, leveraging professional communication for global impact. Today onwards up to 21st December 2024, and I appreciate the HOD's efforts, CSAML, CSPS and MBA department for having organized this FDP program. Particularly, I appreciate now in this juncture, I want to greet the MBA department, whole department, for having got the accreditation for 3 years. For MBA, it is accredited by the MBA. I thanks to all the faculty members, HOD, and not only faculty of MBA, every faculty in the college and every HODs in this college have contributed under the guidance and directions and strategic planning of our correspondent sir. So it is very great achievement because getting MBA in a UG engineering department is not that much risky, but here getting PG department, particularly MBA, is really a great task. So we have achieved that one. So by this we have got the 60% of the total eligible courses got accredited, 78%. 70 out of 8 departments, 6 departments got accredited by the NBA. So we are eligible to become the Institute Research Center. So we are going to get soon. So within next week, definitely our college will become the Institute Research Center, so that every department can guide the research scholars in our engineering college. We need not go for the individual department to get the recognition. So all gates, eligible gates are eligible to guide the faculty members to pursue the PhD. And particular thing we get the MBA accreditation is we included the SDG in the MBA syllabus also, and also we have actually carried out all the strategy, planning everything based on the SDG goals, sustainable development goals, no poverty, zero hunger, health and well-being, industry, institute interaction, and also the sea water on the land, water under the water, and everything you have included. Similarly, quality education. So our syllabus Actually, I already told that our syllabus should be framed such a way that the SDGs should be included in the syllabus. So sooner we will do it through Board of Studies, since we are having autonomous status. So it is a need of the hour. AST and UGC also insisted to get the SDG. Every engineer should know what is SDG, so that they will go to the industries and they will implement that one. So nowadays we are seeing even in the rainy season, we are not able to walk in the street because of flooded. So the complete urban design should be such a way that we will have a smooth walk even in the rainy season. There should not be any flood. So accordingly, the design should be made. Similarly, the quality education. So education should be very industry-oriented education should be done, because every time theoretical knowledge we are giving to the students will not be sufficient. It will not serve any purpose, because we have to give the more lab-oriented courses, practical-oriented courses, industry-oriented courses. Industrial training should be given to the students so that they will get complete industry exposure before going to the placement. So getting placement is not very important one, because getting the knowledge, acquiring knowledge is very much important. So in that way, you can go for the placement, or you can go for the higher studies, or even you can become the entrepreneur. So for that, very much essential thing is you have to get the quality education, which will be given in our SC Engineering College. So in that way, the faculty should enrich your knowledge to complete different criteria, how the industry can be modified, structured through our institutional curriculum, and also how the business should be mold. All those things the faculty members, including all the departments, should get enriched so that they will inculcate knowledge to the students. So in the future coming, so the students will definitely get complete idea about the sustainable development goal. So through these FDP programs, get complete knowledge acquired, and that knowledge will be transferred to the students. I wish success to all the organizers and also all the faculty members to enrich your knowledge. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. I request Dr. A. Anthony Dasan, sir, to honor our principal.
Thank you, sir. To honor our esteemed chief guest, I invite Dr. S. Ramachandran. Honor our principal, Dr. S. Ramachandran, principal of SA Engineering College. Let us celebrate the contributions of our guests who have graced us with their presence today. Thank you, sir. Every great event is marked by exceptional individuals. To introduce our distinguished chief guest, I invite Dr. V. Rohini, Head of the MBA Department at SA Engineering College. Rohini ma'am, we look forward to your introduction.
Good morning all. Respected dignitaries, distinguished guests, and my dear colleagues and my dear students, it gives me a great pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Mr. H.R. Mohan. Sir has graduated from IIT Madras in year 1976, and he has installed IBM 370 at IIT Madras during the mid 1973, and he is interested him to consider computing as a career. He started computer club in IIT Madras to benefit the students. Now he is an ICT consultant associated with Computer Society of India from 1975, joined as a student member and became its president in the year 2014. And he also became the youngest fellow of CSI in 2000, a senior member of both IEEE CS and ACM. Having associated with CSI and IEEE, CS and ACM and other professional society, he has organized over 1,300 technical and professional events during the last 45 years. Sir has served as Vice Chairman of IEEE Madras Section and Student Activities Chairs, Editor of IEEE CS R10 Newsletter, Editor of IEEE Indian Council Newsletter, Chief Editor, IEEE Madras Newsletter Link, Editor of CSE Infoline, and CSE Digest Chair of IEEE, Professor and Professional Communication Society, Technological and Engineering Management Society, Interface to Tech Society at ACM, Indian, Chennai. His honors and recognition he is elected as Fellow of Computer Society of India in 2000. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to have us our guest in the world of technology and professional development, Mr. Mohan, HR Mohan. Please join us in extending a warm welcome to him. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. We have Mr. H.R. Mohan, IEEE Ambassador and Life Senior, to share his thoughts. Mohan sir, it's a honor to have you with us. We are eagerly to hear from you, sir.
Respected Principal Professor Ramchandran, Dr. Anthony Vas, HOD CSBS, and Dr. Kotiswaran, HOD AML, and Dr. Rohini, HOD of MBA Department, and Dr. Nali, the IEEE SPC, and also the coordinator of this one-week FDP program on integrating engineering and professional communication with SDGs. So at the outset, let me join with Professor Ramchandran in congratulating MBA department for getting the accreditation. As you all know that goals are set by management. So obviously, you know, this it is heartening to see that MBA department getting accredited and going to produce more and more strategic leaders in this country. And coming to SDGs, so these are the expanded version of the Millennium Development Goals, which are just 8. You know, by the year 2000, you know, it was supposed to have been achieved. To a great extent, they achieved the goals of Millennium Development Goals, and then subsequently, this 2012, we started with these Sustainable Development Goals, much larger in the vision, with 17 goals. And these goals, achieving these goals are, some of the goals are easy to achieve, but quite a few are difficult to achieve, in the sense that it requires a lot of geopolitical coordination and leadership initiatives and things like that. It is heartening to note that along with the engineering faculty, management department has also joined in organizing this program. It is one of the rare combination, you know, the engineering and management coming together. See, though we talk about engineering is considered and management is differently, you know. Both the streams, you know, they work in parallel many times. But to achieve any growth or survival and even to progress, they have to collaborate. So this is a typical example and collaboration to progress. And this SDG program, as it was mentioned, that, you know, it requires a lot of engineering principles to be applied in various development goals, and because it is interdisciplinary in nature, as well as proper communication in terms of effectively reaching people and also the decision makers. This is also very important, so that the people understand the value of these development goals and then try to contribute for its success. So this 6 days program, which is going to be which is being organized from today till 21st, will have a lot of impact in the career of faculty, in exposing them to various theory to practice principles, and then the global practices in SDG achievement, and also the smart technologies. Now, you know, the computing and other artificial intelligence technologies have been getting infused with these developmental goals, and they have a lot to contribute. And the impact of this sustainable development goal achievement is going to be the future of our humanity. So every day, you know, we are hearing about the problems associated with the climate changes and also the food security and education related issues, you know, like the digital divide is growing more and more, and so all these things are being focused and through these SDGs. And this program, I am sure that will give a lot of inputs to the participants, and by the end of this program, that is by 21st, you will go with a lot of takeaways. And I'm thankful to the management of SA Engineering College in organizing this program, particularly after the 3 days conference, which was very successfully organized last month. And we are also parallelly having one more faculty development program, which is focused more on the Industry 5.0 and how it is supporting the SDG activities. So this program is much broader in nature, whereas that is our focus. So I wish all the very best to the participants as well as congratulations to the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Before we take a short break, let's capture this moment with a group photo. I request all the dignitaries and participants to come together for a memorable photograph. I request to join all the HODs to join the photograph. I request all the faculties and HODs to join the group photo.
Total.